everybody, I'm sure you're looking forward to coming back on the 1st of June.
We've prepared a short video to show you some of the changes that you might notice.
We're really looking forward to seeing you, and I'm sure you're looking forward to seeing your classmates as well.
On the first week back to school, we are not able to use the Zambra Way entrance. Please use the back gate entrance. When you walk up to drop your children off, please walk on the right hand side. We will be using a strict one-way system. Once you have dropped your children off at the back gate, please then proceed down on the left hand side to walk back to your car or your house. Please make sure that you keep a 2-metre distance from anybody else that you see. You will see posters reminding you to keep a 2-metre distance. If a queue forms at the gate, please stand next to the cones marking out 2 metres between each family. Once you arrive at the back gate, there will be an adult to greet you with hand gel. Please use the hand gel provided before coming onto school site. As you walk onto the field, you will notice a board with your class picture on it. You'll be asked to line up at a cone, making sure that you're 2 metres away from anybody else. Once we have got all the children in your class, once everybody has arrived, your class teacher will walk you to the classroom. Lead you through into our new building, onto our new decking. Once you arrive in the new building, you will come down the stairs. If you are in nursery, reception or year 1, you'll be coming down the stairs. If you are in Bumblebees, you'll be coming in here. If you need the toilet, you've got toilets in your own classroom. Your class teacher will be Mrs. Ryan, and your TA will be Miss Egar. If you are in Ladybirds, you'll be coming in here. And again, if you need the toilets are in your classroom. Your teacher will be Miss Theobald. Your TAs will be Miss Thompson and Mrs. Ruddy. If you are in Caterpillars, you will be coming in here. You also have toilets in your classroom. Your teacher will be Anna, and Amelia will be with you as well. If you are in Squirrels, you'll be coming in here. Your teacher will be Mrs. Jones and your TA will be Mrs. Hart. If you are in Hedgehogs, you'll be coming down the corridor and into this classroom. Your teacher will be Mrs. Clark and your TA will be Miss Popperwell. If you are in the key worker class or year 6, you're not going to be going downstairs, you're going to be going upstairs. If you are in year 6B, you're going to be coming into Badger's classroom. If you are in the key worker room, you're going to be coming into Beaver's classroom. If you're in the key worker room, you will have Mrs. Jones and Mr. Benici. If you are in Woodpeckers B, you will have Mr. Kite and Miss Benstead. If you're in Year 6A or Woodpeckers A, you're going to go all the way down the corridor and come into Woodpeckers classroom. Your teacher will be Miss Stewart. Your TA will be Miss Smith. If you are on this floor and you need to go to the toilet, you are going to come out of the room, come back down the corridor towards the old school building. And the toilets are this way. The first room of toilets will be for the boys, and the second, so right down the end, are for the girls. If you are in Year 1, you will need to come up the stairs to come and use the toilets. If you're not sure, please don't worry, an adult will be able to help you. So what will happen at playtime at lunchtime? At playtime, your class teacher or TA will take you out for a run around. You will be going out at different times to the other classes in the school so that you don't mix with the other children. At lunchtime, if you are packed lunch, you will be eating packed lunch outside on the school fields. Please remember to bring a paper bag with your packed lunch in, because we do not want plastic packed lunch boxes in school. We will be happy to provide you with paper bags that you can put your lunches into. On the first day, please use a plastic bag which can be disposed of in school. If you are having a school dinner, your teacher will bring you into the lunch hall. You will be asked to sit at a specific table. There might be markings on the tables that have a tick. Anywhere with a green tick, you are allowed to sit. If you see places with a red cross, you are not allowed to sit there. We are trying to make sure that you can eat your lunch 2 meters apart from anybody else. You might find that there is another class in the lunch hall at the same time as you. They will be at the opposite end of the hall. There will be a significant space between the two areas, and you are not allowed to get up and go and talk to them. You must stay at your table at all times. If you need to get up and go somewhere, you must ask permission from an adult. At the end of the day, your teacher will bring you back to the top of the field. Your class will line up behind your class picture at 2 meter intervals. You will stand here really sensibly, or you could sit down by your cone. When your parent comes to the back gate, your teacher will call you and you can go and up to the back gate where Mrs. Butler will be standing to meet your parent. In order to keep the school as clean as possible, we will be making sure that regular cleaning takes place. We'll be making sure that door handles and light switches are cleaned more regularly. We will be asking children to wash their hands every time they leave and enter the classroom. Please read the letter for more information on what we are doing about our hygiene measures. In order to further reduce the transmission of germs, we have had to remove some items from our classrooms. These include water, sand, and Play-Doh. We will not have these in the classrooms. There will be plenty of other toys to play with, particularly in the early years, but we will make sure that these are regularly cleaned.